I have two cases pulled up. All right. Good morning. This is cause number 2020-72453 in the interest of Liam Grayson and Maddox Delaney. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My maiden name is Emily Daniels. My married name is Emily Delaney, and I am the mother of Liam Grayson and Maddox.
All right, and for the state?
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Maxwell Ivan Daniels, is not present. He was personally served on March 4th, 2021 at 2:56 p.m. at 18093 Twisted Oak Lane in New Canyon, Montgomery County, Texas. He has not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor. He has not filed an answer, but his last name is Delaney. Her last name is Daniels.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Maxwell Ivan Delaney. All right, we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Emily Daniels.
Okay.
Miss Daniels, what is your full name?
Emily Catherine Daniels.
Who is Liam Elijah Delaney?
He is my oldest son.
How old is he?
He's 5.
When is his birth date?
6/15/2016.
When he was conceived, were you and Mr. Delaney married at that time?
We were not.
What date did you get married? I'm sorry.
Let's see. So that was February 14th of 2017.
And who is Liam's father?
Maxwell Delaney.
And do you remember after Liam was born, do you remember signing an acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes.
And do you remember Maxwell signing that acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes.
And who is Grayson Zachary Delaney?
He is my second son.
How old is he?
He's 3.
What is his birth date?
12/5/2017.
And was he born after you and Mr. Maddox were married?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is Maddox Alexander Delaney?
That would be my youngest son.
How old is he?
He is almost 11 months, so 10 months.
And when is his birth date?
10/23/20.
And was he born after you and Mr. Delaney were married?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what type of conservatorship are you requesting?
Supervised visitation.
Yeah, I said, what type of conservatorship are you requesting? Sole managing or joint?
Oh, sole managing. Sole managing. I'm sorry.
Okay. And so that's what type of possession and access are you requesting?
Supervised visitation.
And why are you requesting supervised visitation?
Maxwell doesn't have a stable home, and none of my family members feel comfortable supervising any visits due to his, past of violence.
Okay.
Due to what?
Due to his past violence.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, and so you're requesting supervised because he doesn't have a stable home and none of your family members or yourself feel comfortable supervising, correct?
Correct.
And you're requesting that this visitation occur at the Harris County Domestic Relations Office.
Yes.
Okay. And do you understand that the current child support and medical support will be based off the minimum wage?
Yes.
Okay. And do you understand that that child support will be $330 per month beginning on October 1st, 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that? Okay. And how are your children currently covered for health insurance?
They're on Medicaid.
Okay. And do you understand that cash medical support will be ordered in the amount of $38 per month beginning on October 1st, 2021?
How much
Yes.
did you say, Ms. Parker?
$38.
Okay.
And Ms. Daniels, when did you and Mr. Delaney separate?
May of 2021.
Okay. And since you've separated from June of 2021 through the present, how much financial support has Mr. Delaney provided you for the children?
$250.
Okay. And after giving him credit for that $250, was the retroactive child support was $1,448 to be paid back at $58 per month beginning on October 1st, 2021, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And to your knowledge, does Mr. Delaney have any other children that are under the age of 18 that either live with him or that he has a child support order for?
No.
And are you also requesting that he be responsible for 50% of all uncovered healthcare expenses?
Yes.
Okay. And do you have what, if any, concerns do you have with your address and phone number being listed in this order?
Being that he was charged with impeding breathing and he received a felony because of it. And also anytime he's here, like to get the kids, he cusses me out, yells at me, throws trash in my lawn. He's just very disrespectful and he freaks me out. So I don't want him to have my address or my phone number in the future.
Okay. And when you say he was charged with impeding breathing, was that he was charged for doing that to you or was that to another person?
He was charged doing that to me. He put me in a chokehold.
Okay. And was that
What was the charge? I'm sorry.
Impeding breathing.
Impeding breathing. Okay.
Yes.
And did that occur within the last 2 years?
Yes, ma'am, it did.
Okay, and currently he does have your address and phone number currently, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
But if you were to move, requesting that he not have access to that information, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And are you requesting that? Do you believe this order? Wait, sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Are you requesting that he be responsible for all court costs as bills?
Yes.
And do you believe this order is in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you requesting that the court approve this default order?
Yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, Ms. Daniels, because of his activities in the past, if you move and he knows where you live, is he likely to cause you or your children any harassment, abuse, serious harm, or injury?
Yes.
All right. And Ms. Parker, you have another witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, the state would like to call Natasha Bidu.
Okay.
Ms. Bidu, where are you currently employed?
The Office of the Attorney General Child Support Division.
And what is your position there?
I'm a child support officer.
And what are the responsibilities and duties of a child support officer?
To investigate wage information and calculate child support based on Texas guidelines.
Okay, and have you been given any special training in terms of calculating child support, medical support, retroactive support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes.
And did you perform an investigation in this case?
Yes.
And what were your findings?
Retroactive time period from June 2021 until now. June's gross was $3,284. July's gross was $1,821. August gross was minimum wage show at September for a total of $1,698. The custodial parent is given credit for $215. Remaining balance for retroactive child support is $1,448.
Okay, and you said the July gross was how much?
The July gross, 821.
Okay, 821. Okay. All right, Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
Ms. Daniels, do you have any questions of Ms. Badu?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Anything further, Ms. Parker?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Daniels, since you've already signed everything, you're free to go.